Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by isolating power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and stow tools. Once done, remove the small panels to access the accessory box behind the cluster. You'll identify the stock wiring harness and the rectangular connector for accessories. This is where the GPS power and ignition sense will tie in. Make sure to keep screws organized and wear gloves. Use the multimeter to confirm 12V switched versus constant 12V, so you don't feed the GPS constant power inadvertently. You now wire the GPS. Tap the GPS red lead to the 12V switched feed so the unit powers with ignition. Once connected, tie the black ground to a bare chassis bolt using a ring terminal for a low resistance return. Then secure the antenna coax, route it under the front fairing away from the exhaust and high heat parts. Make sure to solder and heat shrink every splice for vibration resistance, and zip tie the harness in 2 places to prevent chafing while riding. You finish by reconnecting the battery and powering the bike. Watch the GPS boot and acquire satellites within a few minutes while stationary. Once done, test ignition off behavior and use a multimeter to check for parasitic draw. Make sure nothing stays on when the bike is off. If the unit won't power or gets no fix, double-check ground continuity, the inline fuse, and that you didn't swap switched versus constant 12V. Reflow suspect solder joints and retention zip ties before replacing panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.